We are celebrating somebody's birthday.
We don't use the word birthday anymore. We say
Okay.
Aries anniversary.
Okay, so we're celebrating someone's Aries anniversary. And someone is turning old enough to drink. Presented to us by Beyoncé and Sir Davis.
Queen Bey.
So we're going to be using some Sir Davis whiskey.
This ain't Texas. Woo! Yes, so this one, it's like some purple berry shit.
Okay, yeah, it's definitely going to be a blackberry mint mojito-esque insert the whiskey flavor. We are going to go to pound. Pound that ice. Beat it. Well, we're probably just going to pound ice today. So, first we're going to pour our Sir Davis. We're going to need 4 ounces.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh no! He's already stripping. Oops.
4 ounces of Sir Davis whiskey. 1.
Oh!
Wow, I poured like you. 2.
Bitch.
Sweet honey bucket. 3.
That's good.
And
Oh no, we were supposed to muddle this before we do that. That's okay.
but it's better when you muddle your blackberries
Okay.
and whiskey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna do 8 leaves of mint as well.
Okay, just eyeball it like we normally do. Here.
Okay.
He hates eyeballing because he's like
No, there's
I'm
a
more
recipe,
into it.
and you follow the recipe. I'll hold it while you do it.
and pound
Emulsify
it.
it. Yeah,
Emulsify
there you
real
go.
good.
That's beautiful. You're doing such a good job.
You're good at pounding things. Why don't you try it?
I like a gentler method.
Oh, he goes like gentle. Agave.
Agave. We're gonna use a 1/2 ounce of agave.
Gonna be all sexy with it. With
Yeah,
brown.
I mean.
Oh.
So.
Whoops.
Okay, happy birthday.
Wait, we need ice to shake it. Close it and shake it, baby.
I like to shake with both hands.
Both.
Both hands. Firm grip.
It's got extra big hardware going on
Yeah.
here, you know?
Well, you know.
Yeah.
You have
Oh,
to
and
flow through it.
smooth.
Yeah.
Noted.
Flow. And what's your method? Choices. Happy birthday.
I'll open her up.
All right, perfect.
I'm opening up for you.
I think this is the perfect amount. Are you judging?
I never judge people.
We listen, we don't judge apparently.
We listen and we don't judge. Here we go. There we go. Perfect. I swear it looked way more purple on the website.
It's very pretty.
It is beautiful. I have it in my head because she sang that at the Hollywood Bowl. Ice again.
It's a very cold drink.
And top with the blackberry. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's got a method. Look at this.
Let's do a couple sprigs each. There we go.
Let's give it a try, shall
Yeah.
we?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Wow. That's so damn good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Happy 21st birthday.
This is a 21st birthday cocktail.
Yeah.
This one will you up on your birthday. That's what this is. This is a perfect Aries anniversary cocktail.
Like a mechanical bull.
Yeah, like Beyonce. The shit is full throttle. This ain't Texas. It's Los Angeles. Lay your cards down, 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 down. Grab your Lexus. People drive Lexuses around here, but are Lexi like more popular in
Lexi. Okay.
in Texas?
Maybe.
Do more people have Lexi in Texas?
Let us know in the comments.
Comment below.
Comment below.
Next level, bitch.
Next level, bitch.